Navigating the eviction process, guide to notice, constable service, and 30-day notices to quit. Types of notices landlords can serve to tenants. Landlords can serve different types of notices to tenants depending on the reason for eviction. These notices include the 30-day notice to quit for non-payment of rent, a 14-day notice to quit for lease violations, or a notice to quit for terminating a tenancy. The proper way of serving a notice to quit. It is crucial for landlords to follow proper procedures when serving a notice to quit. Roles of constables in the eviction process. What does a constable do in an eviction? A constable plays a vital role in the eviction process by facilitating the enforcement of the eviction order. Constables help maintain order and enforce the legal terms of the eviction, safeguarding the rights of both landlords and tenants. The constable will then handle the serving of eviction notices and other legal documents as required. 30-day notices to quit. Understanding tenant responsibilities. What does a 30-day notice to quit imply for tenants? A 30-day notice to quit signifies that the landlord is terminating the tenancy, and the tenant has 30 days to vacate the premises. It is essential for landlords to ensure that the notice is legally sound to avoid potential legal challenges. Compliance with the notice is crucial to avoid further legal action. Landlords must provide proper notice before taking any legal action for non-payment, while tenants are required to pay rent on time as per the terms of the lease agreement to avoid potential eviction. Navigating the eviction process, guide to notice, constable service, and 30-day notices to quit. Eviction is a legal process undertaken by a landlord to remove a tenant from a rented property. This guide will explore the significance of notices, the role of constables, and the specifics of 30-day notices to quit in eviction cases. Landlords must follow specific rules when serving a notice to quit to ensure its validity. Roles and responsibilities of landlords and tenants in eviction cases. Upon receiving an eviction notice, tenants have rights that protect them from unfair or unlawful eviction practices. If a tenant believes that the constable's involvement in the eviction case is unwarranted or unlawful, they may have the right to challenge it through legal means to protect their rights and interests. 30-day notices to quit. Requirements and consequences. A 30-day notice to quit is a type of notice provided by the landlord that gives the tenant 30 days to vacate the premises. It begins with the 30-day notice to quit or 14 days notice to quit for non-payment of rent, which is a written notice given to the tenant informing them of the eviction action. If the tenant does not comply with the notice, the landlord can file an eviction case with the court. In the state of Massachusetts, the notice to quit must be served in accordance with the law, either by certified mail or by a constable for the service. The purpose of the notice is to inform the tenant of the rental period they have to vacate the property or face eviction. It is important for landlords to follow the proper procedures and timelines when serving a notice to quit, as failure to do so can result in delays in the eviction process.